Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see a review on Oliver exam fountain pen. It is a very transparent body fountain pen. It is purely a plastic pen, and we have gold clip and transparent cap and as well as transparent body. So the nib is number 5. As we seen in the previous videos, this pen is this nib is writing very well, and we have a piston mechanism here at the bottom. It is like Camlin 47 and Zephyr from Canrite and Bina from Lincoln. So the ink filling mechanism is really good. So many people like using such uh, piston fillers. So let us write and see. The pen is writing like butter. So if you want more details on this pen, yes, you can leave your questions in the comment section, and we will answer you. And if you want to buy this pen, you can click this description uh, click the link in the description, so that it will directly land in our website. Thanks for watching this video.